Ayy, always been a black sheep, struggling to work the ATM. I just bit 20K on black at the
Good morning, universe. Here we are, another day on the build, the bus build. We got a ton done on the kitchen part of the bus, as you guys saw if you're watching along in the last video. But today we are going to install the bed in the back. We think the dimensions are 60 by 80, but I told Rachel to find the mattress that we think we're gonna buy, so at least we can get some dimensions. Plus we need some depth to know where to build the frame to where we want to sit inside the bus. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving morning, and I got some lumber this morning, 10 2x4s, 2 pieces of particle board, and we're gonna start building. All right, there we go. So I got both my pieces. I need to figure out my width of the bed now so I can screw that all together and get my piece. But yeah, it's gonna be sick in here, dude. I can't wait to hit the streets, hit the road in the full build. Oh, boys. Do we have a size update on the mattress we're trying to build?
Oh, I forgot to look because Naomi wanted to play. Okay, let me look.
There's no way 38 inches is the width.
No, that doesn't seem right. Okay.
Thanksgiving Day mission in the skoolie, boys. Woo! Half-built Johnny, half-built Johnny. Live action. Went for a little Thanksgiving drive. We were working on it. Haven't driven it since we drove it home from your house, really, and yeah. Good morning. We are back on the bus build. We couldn't work yesterday on the bus because we ran out of screws and it was Thanksgiving, so no one was open. So I was thinking, oh yeah, no problem. We'll take the bus for a little like hike or something with the family. Just try out the new seats and stuff that I made, which I'm sitting in right now. And on the way home, bam, transmission light comes on. Little bummed about that. I talked to the guy again. He said just bring it in. He'll do whatever it takes to make things right. So that makes me feel good. But yeah, just the ups and downs of the skoolie life are no joke. So we made it back here. I decided I'm just gonna finish everything I had going. Like I'm gonna finish the bed, finish framing out this chair, finish putting in the power thing. This other skylight delete hatch is in the mail right now. It's supposed to be delivered today, so do all of those things to the bus and then drop it off Sunday and really have a conversation about what needs to be done. Potentially put a new transmission in it, the exact one that we want for long driving anyway, because this bus really tops out around 65. Yeah, that's the mission for today. Finish up the odds and ends on the bus and take it back to the bus mechanics. So I just got done building out this crazy contraption with all these cuts in it to fit up against the wall here. And that hole for that thing, whatever that is. Let's see how it fits. Oh, it's freaking dialed, boys. Look at that. Dialed. So now I gotta put a couple nailers along there, a couple nailers along the floor. Yes, the bed's gonna be in. She's not running, but the bed's gonna be in. Stoked how this turned out. I got the bed frame, got these things up against the wall, all notched in, all attached to the original railings of the bus. So it's all furringed in there and everything. And then there's the size of the bed. Got the heater looking good in their placement. Stoked. Now all we need is a working transmission, baby. Come on. Let's fix your problems, girl. We've been working on you so sweet. Please do us right, girl. So my goal was to finish up all the loose ends on the bus, but I just got this in the mail, which is the other delete from skoolie.com, made in the USA. And I have this AC port plug adapter thing I need to drill through the side of the bus. So I'm thinking I'll show you guys what I have done on the bus, and then maybe one more work day to get everything done before I take it to the mechanic. Let's get the vibes here. So you come in now. Yep, that's what she's looking like, ladies and gentlemen. So you walk in, you got my bed over here, which is a bench situation. You got the kitchen counter. You're gonna have the dinette area with storage. You're gonna have a bookshelf type thing for storage. Here, you're gonna have a spot for the grill. Underneath, you're gonna have a little bit of storage and a spot for the toilet, and then a little bit of shelf here for the girls for their closet. So that's what we're looking at. And yeah, we're gonna go one more build day and then take it to the mechanic, so we can dial everything in, all the loose ends, and when it's at the mechanic, I can start figuring out what we need to do next. So this is where we are at, ladies and gentlemen.
Look, being a lot